Swami Naik, and today we are learning 4-digit multiplication. So let's start here. First question: 7492 into 5273. So guys, you will get answer in 7 steps. So before we discuss question, we'll learn these 7 steps here, and after practice you will get answer in within 6 to 7 minutes. So let's start here. First, assume this as a number. We are learning here as a concept of this 4-digit multiplication. So guys, first step here, multiply of these two number and write here. This is your first step. Second step, cross multiplication with these four numbers and addition. This is your second step, and write here. Third step, again cross multiplication and straight multiplication and addition. This is your third step, and write here. Fourth step, with this all 8 numbers, cross multiplication. First this number to this number, and this number to this number, and then small cross multiplication, and then addition. This is your fourth step. So here 4 steps complete. Fifth step, for fifth step, forgot these two numbers, calculation of these 6 numbers. So cross multiplication and straight multiplication. Same of third number of step, but here you calculated of these 6 numbers, and for fifth number steps you are calculating for these 6 numbers. So forgot you these two numbers. Six steps, same as step of 4, but you calculation of these two numbers, cross multiplication. This is your sixth step. 7 and last step, these two number calculation and add. This is your 7th step. So after 4th step, here 5th step, 6th step, and last 7th step, you will get answer. Yes, this is little bit difficult, but once you remind this, you will get answer in within 7 seconds and 7 steps. So first step here, both calculation. Second step, cross multiplication. Third step, cross multiplication and straight multiplication with these 6 numbers. Fourth step, all this including 8 numbers, cross multiplication and again small cross multiplication. Then fifth steps, cross multiplication and straight multiplication. Forgot this two number for fifth step. Then cross multiplication for 6 steps, and 7 steps straight multiplication. And one more important points, you cannot be write 2-digit number for 1 to 6 step. You must be write here 1-digit number and 1 digit carry forward to next step. You can write here 2-digit number for 7 step. So as per this concept, we are starting here. So first step, 2 3s are 6. Second step, cross multiplication, 9 3s are 27, 7 2s are 14. So 1 1 41. One right here, 4 carry forward to next step. Third step here, cross multiplication, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and 9 7s are 63. So 4 4 8 plus 2 10 plus 3 13. 1 here, 8 83. So 3 here, 8 carry forward to next step. Fourth step, so guys I'm right here, this is 8 carry forward to next step. For fourth step, 8 here. Fourth step, this one cross multiply, 7 3s are 7 3s are 21, 5 2s are 10. Next step, these two numbers cross multiplication, 4 7s are 28, 9 2s are 18. Add this all number, 8 1 9 and 16 25, 2 here. So 2 3 3 and 8 85. 5 here, again 8 carry forward. Here fifth step, cross multiply, forgot these two numbers. So 7 7s are 49, 5 9s are 45, 4 2s are 8. Addition of this whole number, 8 9 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 8 13. 3 carry forward, 4 4 8 plus 3 11. So 1 1 0, so 0 here, and 11 carry forward. So I'm writing here 11. Next step, 6 steps, cross multiplication of these 4 numbers and then addition. First, 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 5 4s are 20. So 1 4 5, 1 1 5 45. So 5 here, 4 carry forward to next step. Next step, this is last step. 7 7 5s are 35. So this is 39. So guys, this is your final answer. 3,95,05,360. So guys, before you starting this type of question, you must be aware of this type of concept, and if you do this type of question at least 2 to 3, you can easily get answer in within 5 to 6 seconds. So guys, thank you, and if you like this video, so please like and subscribe and share this video. So thank you.